Alright, let's kick off your first Japanese vocabulary quest. Think of it like a game.
We're going to start at level 1 and work our way up. You ready?
Okay, level 1, the building blocks. These are the absolute basics you need to know.
First up, we've got this character. It means dog, and you say it, inu.
Here's a super simple one. This is tree, and it means tree. Easy enough, right?
And this little guy is ame, for rain. And just like that, level 1 is complete.
Time for level 2. This is where things get interesting. We're going to start combining things.
So on the left, you've got te for hand. On the right, bukuro for bag.
So what happens when you put them together? You get teibukuro, a glove. It's literally a handbag.
See that pattern? It's the key to unlocking tons of words. Let's try another one.
Welcome to level 3. The words look bigger, but don't worry, the logic is exactly the same.
Okay, let's break down subway. It's just ground plus under plus iron. Simple.
It works for the language itself too. Nihongo is just Japan plus language.
So you're not just memorizing words, see, you're actually learning a whole system.
Right, it's time for the final level. The boss words. They look tough, but you've got this.
Check this one out. Hakubutsukan. It's just wide plus thing plus building. A museum.
And how about Keisatsukan? Well, that's police plus official. A police officer. Makes sense, right?
Now you have the tools to figure out words for car, post office, and even cinema.
And boom, quest complete. You've totally defeated the final boss. Nicely done.
In just a few minutes, you've basically seen the logic behind hundreds of common Japanese words.
The big takeaway? Big words aren't scary. They're just simple ideas pieced together. That's it.
So, you've finished your first quest. The real question is, what are you going to learn next?